Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today for this week's giveaway. Now, for those of you that have been watching, I have been sorting out my craft room, and I went sorted through my washi tape and I found some duplicates. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give a set away for Charles. I'm going to give a set away for a giveaway. Now, all you have to do for this giveaway is just to comment in the comments below. I'm going to run this until next Monday, and then I will pull a winner at random. So all you got to do is just leave me a comment. There are 10 rolls of washi tape. So let me show you these washi tapes that are up for grab. There's this one which says hugs and smiles. This one says twinkle twinkle twinkle, and then it's got stars on it. I don't know if I'm in focus actually. There you go, it just says twinkle on it. This one has these lovely stars. This comes from a mermaid set. This one says bar humbug, so there's a couple of Christmassy ones in here. This one just has arrows on it, just lovely arrows. This one has just got dots, so plain. And then we have yes and no on this one. Yes, no, yes, no. This one is just shiny gold. So I think there's 3 that you could use for Christmas. This one is hugs and smiles, so there's 2 of those. And this one just has these little triangles on. So this is a very quick giveaway. Just 10 rolls of washi tape going to one of you lucky people out there. So just leave me a comment, and then next Monday I will pull a winner out. So good luck everybody, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.